Hello paper friends, this is the second part of my make sticky notes at home video, and here I already printed out the pages. It was 8 pages. Then I cut all the sticky notes. I have a cheap, I think $2 paper cutter from Temu. My pages are ready. As these are not perfectly cutted, but yes, this is my first sticky note, so for me it's perfect. I live in Europe. I found this repositionable glue stick at a German website called Neuland, and it came in a cute paper bag with a postcard and a cute sticker. I bought 5 because the shipping was more feasible this way. So I started to put this repositionable glue on the back of every page, only at the top of the pages. When it's ready, I realized that I wouldn't needed to push that much to the paper, because for the first time it was a little bit hard to get off the first sticky note, but it's perfectly okay. Now I think now I have a cute sticky notes. If you like it, you can print it out from the Canva page, which I linked down below in the description. Please use it only for personal use. Thank you for watching my video. See you in my next video when I will make cute tapes. Have a great day. Bye.